another pug pour. This is what I poured on the other day. The varnish will bring back the shine and the, it'll make the colors pop again. So I'm gonna use the same colors, which I actually did not go over the first time I poured that. So I'm gonna tell you what I used. I used Amsterdam greenish blue. I used Master's Touch sky blue. This is a DecoArt teal mint. I freaking love this color. And I use a DecoArt 24 karat gold. So these are all mixed. Then I have another gold because I don't have much left in here, but they're very similar. This is a ready pour paint by Mixed Media Girl. She makes great paint. This is also a Mixed Media Girl. It's Razzle Dazzle. So those are the colors that I used in this other pug. And I'm going to do the same thing. That was a black pug. This is a white one. And it's sitting. Very cute. So come pour with me.